So that was a real ordeal. Hello and welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. We are in our third day here now, and today we are going to explore Wat Pho and the Grand Palace. So really looking forward to that. Once again today it's extremely warm, humid, but we're really looking forward to exploring Thailand. So come along for the journey. Give the video a like, subscription as well. We'd appreciate that. Let's go. I had to add on the long legs onto my shorts because you're not allowed shorts or on men and women into the temple. So it took a good, I'd say, 7 to 10 minutes longer than it should have, but anyway we got over it and let's continue on our way. So entering Wat Pho now, it's quite beautiful, and let's get our ticket. Cash only here, 200 baht for a ticket, open 8 AM to 6 PM. That suits us very well. Wat Pho is obviously a Buddhist temple, and it's directly beside the Grand Palace, which makes it really handy to visit both kind of in the same day. It's part of one of the 6 kind of main temples in Thailand, and walking around it here, it is absolutely stunning to see the colour, the detail in all of the architecture. So King Rama I also built this temple as well. I believe he did the one yesterday at Wat Pho. Originally there was another temple here, so he actually built this one on an older site. Yeah, I can see why with the location, it's so central to Bangkok. This temple also possesses the largest collection of Buddha images in all of Thailand, which is pretty cool, I think. There's also a 46-meter long reclining Buddha in here, which is very cool, and the temple is considered the earliest centre for public education in Thailand, and the marble illustrations and inscriptions placed in the temple for public instructions have been recognised by UNESCO actually in its Memory of the World programme. It houses a school of Thai medicine and is also known as the birthplace of traditional Thai massage. Something about these Buddhas is just so calming. The smile on his face, I think, does it, to be honest. He looks extremely content with life, and as Lupe said before, looks like he has reached enlightenment, which rubs off on the people here, I believe. So you had a long enough queue there for pictures of the reclining Buddha. Everyone wanted to get into the best position, and we did. We got a few nice photos which I will share later, and it's really impressive. It's massive, and the colour is amazing, really nice gold, and everyone here seems to be enjoying themselves. plenty of donation boxes around here, which I assume go to the temple itself and the maintenance. Don't forget, shoes off when you're coming into all the temples. Good tip. Yeah, so the level of detail in the reclining Buddha and along the walls of that temple itself is really unbelievable. Also, just have a look at this tree here, being held up by a number of planks of wood. It looks like at any second it's going to come tumbling right down on top of my head here. So, as beautiful as this place is, maybe it lacks a little bit on the health and safety side of things. But anyway. Security for the temple. Very nice. So we're outside another temple here now, and it's really beautiful, but unfortunately we cannot enter. There's like a, as you can see there, a blue rope keeping us out, but it's full of kids laughing and playing and jumping around. I don't know what they're doing, but they seem to be having a lot of fun, which is nice. So what do you got? The boy's having a nap down there. Must be knackered. So the exact date of construction of Wat Pho is not really certain, but what we do know is that the Grand Palace was completed in 1801 and Wat Pho was here before that, so that might give you some indication of how long it's been here. Jesus, we're both starting to get really tired here now, and I think we're likely going to go get lunch after this before we visit the Grand Palace to recharge the batteries, and we're losing a lot of water through sweat here because it's just so humid and so hot. So this is what life is like in Bangkok in the start of April. But it's still enjoyable. Hot, but enjoyable. One good thing though is that they do let you refill your water bottles there for free. And it is fresh bottled water, and it's very, very cold. Thank God. So that was amazing in the last temple there. We just went in and kind of sat down, crossed our legs and basically meditated with probably another 50 people. It was so calming again, similar to Wat Pho that we were in there yesterday. Such an experience to be here. So that's it for Wat Pho. Really hope you liked the video and got something out of it. We're probably going to split the Grand Palace into another video just because of time. So if you did like the video, do give us a like, subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. And we're going to be sharing more videos in the next while, I'm sure, of our travels here in Southeast Asia. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you again. Cheers.